The container in the front is a Texas evergreen. This is its third year, and I shifted to a big container, like a, I think 21 gallon. Yep, 21 gallon container. So that's really big and have enough room for this tree. It's comparatively a small to medium size tree, and if you see in this tree, after I changed the container, it was in a 5 to 7 gallon container, so it was, I believe it was suffocating enough for the roots. So as soon as I transferred to the new container, new home basically, it popped up with hundreds if not thousands of fig, one small to medium sized tree. Every branch has a cluster of figs, like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, almost 5 figs in every new growth, new wood basically. So, and this tree is really a good tree in our New Jersey climate. I will not basically have it on the ground, but in container, and if it is under like a shaded greenhouse or something, it's really awesome. I tasted a fig, taste really good, taste like a berry, strawberry kind of taste it has. It's very healthy. Like in third years, this will give almost like 50 to 60 fruit this year, if nothing happens so far. So this is one of the great fig tree that I would recommend for this environment we have in New Jersey. Just you have to take this out and put it in the garage during the winter month. That's the only thing you have to do. And I don't give a lot of food, fertilizer for their growth. Whatever the soil has, they get it from there. And I time to time, like 15 to 20 days or even for a month, I give some of the added organic fertilizer mostly. So yeah, this is, you guys can definitely grow without any fear. That's it for today. Thank you for watching. Texas Everbearing.